this is Deepika Sharma from Khurana and Khurana IP Attorneys. We have been receiving queries related to importance of IPRs in startups and MSMEs. These enterprises are basically backbone of an economy. If I talk about India alone, nearly 30% of Indian GDP is generated through these companies. And though these companies have potential and ideas which they can register for patents or trademark or copyright, but still due to hefty payments associated with it, the entrepreneurs are usually reluctant to get these registered. Now, I think it is due to lack of knowledge that they are not able to completely utilize a very important tool which is available with them already. That is registration of intellectual property rights. Now you can register your emerging entities under Startup India scheme, where you get nearly 80% of rebate in the filing of these IP related mandates that you have. Now, when I am talking about IP, I not only means the legal protection of your idea, it also includes various things like creating a brand name, then attracting the investors, and apart from that gaining competitive edge. Now if you register under Startup India scheme, from there you can choose IP Mitras or IP facilitators. Basis the domain of your innovation, you can choose them, and they can help you out with general advisories for your IPRs. Apart from that, they will draft and file the patent applications on your behalf. They will if any queries are generated by the IPO, they will answer to those queries, and they can file responses on your behalf, and moreover they will appear in the hearings on your behalf, and that too without charging any professional fee from you, because government will directly bear these costs. And now I think from this video many entrepreneurs find this useful, and they do register their entities in under Startup India scheme, and likewise they start seeing their potential ideas and registration of these IPRs as a asset and investment to their future rather than an expense or a liability. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for new videos.